last name is Leao. L-E-A-U, Leao. L-E-A-U, that's French, right? I took French in high school. No, it's not French, not Lou. Just because I'm light-skinned doesn't mean that I'm French. It's Samoan. Oh, my dad is in Somalia. No, my last name is not from Somalia. It's from Samoa. Yeah, that's where my dad is. Is your dad on one of the Pacific Islands? You know, the biggest ocean in the whole world. It has islands, lots of little islands in it, and Samoa is one. Oh, he's in Africa. Okay, he's not in Samoa. Just take my word for it. Yes, he is in Somalia. Your dad? For real? Huh. Isn't your last name Johnson? So doesn't that mean that your dad's name is John? No, my dad's name is James. Yeah, that's what I said, John. No. I don't appreciate you mocking my last name, Miss Lou. Oh, you don't?